What's happening, sports fans? Welcome back to another episode with Mama and Papa Joe. Today we're going to close out the summer of grilled chicken. We've had an awesome series. Mom and I have thoroughly enjoyed it. We're going to do a simple deboned chicken quarter marinated in homemade Italian marinade. Let's check this out. All right, first thing we're going to do is make a simple marinade for this chicken. This is going to be a take on my Cornell chicken. I'm going to use apple cider vinegar and some olive oil from the Cornell chicken, but then I'm going to add some parsley, some onions, a little piece of bell pepper, and some garlic. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of olive oil, good shake of some black pepper, maybe a good tablespoon, some salt. I'm going to try not to dirty my blender today. I'm being lazy. I want to try out this little handheld whisk. Just get a little emulsification before I add my veggies. Let's see how this works. This thing is pretty cool. I like that. I'm coming back with my garlic, a nice pinch of parsley, some chopped yellow onions finely diced, red bell peppers finely diced. And some more salt. That'll get it done right there. Let's get our chicken cleaned up. I've got 6 chicken quarters. I've already prepped a couple of them. I saved a couple to show you guys. Chicken's been rinsed and dried. Folks, if you wanted to buy pre-deboned chicken, you absolutely can. But doing it yourself will save you a couple of bucks. If your chicken still has that backbone portion on, simply cut around that, between that thigh knuckle. Just follow the bone. Same thing, follow that thigh bone. And then you just want to cut alongside it without going through the skin, of course. I've got my cut-resistant gloves under here, just in case. This knife is pretty sharp. Then I like to just kind of scrape down the meat. Same thing here, cut around that knuckle. I want to go underneath and cut off this knuckle. Just like that. And same thing, I'm going to be scraping down. It's not difficult. You'll save yourself a couple of bucks doing it yourself. And now as you come back, you want to feel around for any cartilage that might still be left over. I like to use my kitchen shears. Just get that off of there. All right, so first thing I want to do before we get contaminated is just pour off a little bit of this for later use. I wouldn't do this overnight in terms of a marinade because this chicken is just so thin now. I would go 4 to 8 hours. I think today we're going to be doing about 4 hours. And we're just going to come right in there with the rest of that marinade. And you want to make sure that everybody is fully covered. Oh, that looks great. And once you're satisfied that you've got it mixed really well, get that thing sealed up and into a bowl just in case things want to spill. In the fridge for a couple of hours. All right, folks, we've been out the fridge for about 45 minutes, just warming up a little bit. Our grill is outside coming to temp. I'm just going to put this on paper towel just to drain a little bit. Don't want to douse our fire. This smells great. All right, let that drain for a few minutes, and I will meet you outside. Our fire is ready. This is going to be a fairly quick cook, folks. One of those cooks I don't think it's even necessary to put our lid on. All right, we don't have too much dripping off, which is exactly what I was looking for. All right, that's been about 10 minutes. Let's give these a look-see. And folks, this is what I'm looking for right here. I am not expecting a whole lot of char with that moisture, but man, they're gonna be juicy. These will make some awesome chicken sandwiches. Now we'll definitely have to pay a little more attention on this skin side, but I think give or take 5-7 minutes might get it done. Oh yeah. All right, let's flip. I think we'll do backside another 5 minutes or so. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, folks, we're looking for that 175 to 180. Look at that skin blister up. All right, folks, we might be there. Listen to that. Oh yeah. We're 175, 176. 177. All right, 177. Great temperature for quarters, folks. Let's get these off of here. Oh yeah, that marinade smells awesome.
Get that little piece right there. See you inside.
All right, there she is, ladies and gentlemen. How simple a cook was that, man? They look beautiful. Smell great. That Italian homemade dressing is just off the charts. Let's see what they taste like then. Oh, that skin. I'll let Mama get this piece. Listen to that. Wow.
Nice and juicy. No, he did not.
There go your crumbs. Folks, that's on point. Too simple. It doesn't get much simpler than that, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the summer of grilled chicken. I want to thank you guys and gals as usual for hanging out with us. We really appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. And as always, Mom and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla!